Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I'm great. What about
Good.
you?
Very well, thank you. So how do you find the cultural differences between Pakistan and where you are now? Is it very different?
No, it's not very different. It's almost the
Mhm.
same. And
Mhm.
there are a little bit changes, but not very different.
Okay. So what are the sort of small differences that you've noticed? Because I would have thought they would be very different countries, but you do not think so.
Yes, because both countries are Muslim countries, and
Mhm.
that's why we have the same religious rituals,
Mhm.
same events, and yes, there are some differences for like national dress.
Mhm.
Maybe you are aware of this that people in Saudi Arabia they wear white clothes and then
Mhm.
they have red scarf. So such kind of differences. Otherwise, not a very big difference. In fact, if we talk about food, the food is
Mhm.
also almost the same.
Mhm.
I would say that the Saudi Arabian food is healthier than Pakistani food because they consume less amount of oil. Their food is not very spicy as well. Yeah, these are the things.
So now, from what I remember, is it kabsa is very popular in Saudi Arabia? Kabsa?
Yeah, yeah, that's right. And actually, kapsa you can say is the variation of
Hmm.
a dish, a cuisine, a Pakistani cuisine, which is very famous, called biryani. So we
Ah,
have the same kind of food. Yeah.
hmm. Ah, so I know biryani because in England we eat biryani. Have you ever been to
Okay.
the UK?
No, I have never been to, but I'm
Hmm.
planning to do CELTA, and
Hmm.
I've been trying to find out some good institutes in
Hmm.
Western countries. So, if you
Hmm.
have any recommendation, is there any institute that can offer like foreigners to do these English courses? Please let me know.
That in fact there are lots. But yeah, I mean Celta's is quite good. It's very intense. There's lots of institutions in the UK offer this. Lots.
Okay.
Certainly in London. So have a look on Google, but
Mhm.
make sure that you shop around for the right price because some Celta courses can be very, very expensive. Yeah. And others a
Ah,
little less. Yeah. I mean,
right.
Celta compared to other occasions is quite expensive. It's relative. Um, I'm not sure how much it costs now. Maybe £2,000. I can't
Yeah, I
remember.
checked it actually.
Yeah.
I checked it.
Yeah.
It's 1,500 pounds,
Mhm.
and yeah, 1,500 pounds. Actually, I have completed my TAFL course.
Mhm.
There is an institute in Scotland. Maybe
Mhm.
you have heard of it, TAFL.org. So
Mhm. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
I com yeah I completed my TAFL course almost 6 months ago, online course from there.
Mhm.
But I want to do CELTA face to face. I want to go to a different country and
Mhm.
experience it. So this is what I want.
Yeah, I mean, this is the best thing. I mean, doing Teflon TESOL online is one thing, but really, you cannot be doing training face to face. Really,
Right.
it's much better. And I think employers consider it to be much more valuable as well. So I can tell you that I do. So my job, when I'm occasionally on Cambly, but I'm a director of studies for
Mm,
a chain
great.
schools in the UK, and my job is to recruit teachers from overseas and train
Uh-huh.
them. So I'm one of the people that would be looking at someone's CV, yeah, and working out
Mhm.
should I interview them or yeah. So
Right.
I always look for CELTA basically, yeah,
Uh,
and then after
so,
that TEF.
okay. Sorry for the interruption, but I want to ask you that, for example, it's you have to hire an English teacher. So, do you consider like non-native speakers of English?
Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, it depends. It depends how busy we are, how many actions we have. Yeah, so it very much depends. But yeah, I mean, good teachers of English come from different parts of the world. Yeah, just
Yeah.
because someone is not necessarily speaking doesn't mean they're not going to be a good teacher.